Hi there, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to episode 114 of the Building a Public series. Today is a pretty interesting episode. We're revisiting an old client of ours, talking books Wales or Cyfrau Llafar Cymru. I do apologize, my Welsh isn't great. But yeah, today basically we're just getting into the start of the redesign. Obviously, you can see here we have a very not outdated site, but obviously we haven't touched it since we last looked at it on this series. You can see things like example one, example two, you know what I mean? And it's just not really been touched. And you can see, as we're sort of scrolling through the site and everything, that like there's things like color schemes and stuff like that that need to be updated. Like you can see there's like a green color compared to a blue, and it's stuff like that that we've got to fix. And you can see, scrolling through, this is exactly what we're trying to do. We're trying to get the blue to get sorted and everything. And yeah, that's how we sort of started the design and everything. It's actually pretty interesting how this session turned out. So one thing I'm going to mention is that, and you guys are going to hate me for this, the next 4 days, 5 days are going to be literally just this session that we had during this day because we implemented a lot of fun new features. We implemented like a way to look at audiobooks. We implemented the rest of the pages and stuff. So it should be pretty cool. Obviously, one thing I will say about this whole process is that essentially we're in a scenario now where this is being sent to the client and we're waiting on feedback. Now, the thing is, by the time I come back from my break, which will be May 12th, I think. We should have a reply by then, but obviously we've got to wait and see. And yeah, obviously you can see here, I'm going to my trusty old friend ChatGPT and I'm asking it, ways to make this book feature happen because I don't think I actually recorded the initial concept of the book feature. Basically, the way it works, or the way this part of it works, it's been updated since, is essentially I asked ChatGPT to take a catalog of English books and Welsh books and then make them into posts. But I wanted them to be custom posts so that they didn't interfere with like the blog content and stuff. And essentially here you can see we're going through the process. We're figuring out how to do it. In this scenario, we're using something called ACF custom fields, which is a very popular plugin when it comes to WordPress and making bespoke post types. And this is what we're doing here. We're making the books post type and we're building out the process. Now, please bear with me when I talk to you about this, guys, because this is the first time me actually using advanced custom fields properly. So if it feels like a toddler's doing a walkthrough, please bear with me because I'll try to get used to it. But yeah, I mean, to be honest, you'll see throughout the sessions that it gets better slowly. You can see there I'm taking like screenshots and stuff because I've got, you know, ChatGPT open on one screen and then this open on the other. So please bear with me because I'm learning it as I'm going in this tutorial. And yeah, there's honestly not much else to report in this session. You can see that I'm going through here, getting the catalog. You can see there it's going through the process, sorting that out. And yeah, pretty much what we're doing here is we're just going to download our plugins that we need. So we needed, if I go back, we needed WP All Import and we needed WP All Export as well. And yeah, pretty much and that's all that really happens here is I'm going through the catalog, updating it, feeding it back into ChatGPT. Because one thing I've noticed recently with ChatGPT, I don't know if you guys have noticed it at all, is that I've noticed a lot of back and forth recently because it doesn't seem to really understand what it is I'm trying to achieve. And yeah, you can see here, eventually we get the import, and what we're trying to do here is map it to the book type, or sorry, the post type, books, and this is how we do it. So we add custom fields, and yeah, pretty much you can see here, like literally, this is my first time using ACF, and I'm literally going through it and asking, okay, how do you map it? You know what I mean? And I'm literally going through it step by step. And yeah, eventually we do end up sorting it out. You can see here the author and title that we're going to use. and this is how we then import stuff. So you can see there that all the books and everything have been imported, but they're missing things like categories and author names. And I don't think we actually managed to sort the author names out until literally, I think the episode that's literally just been recorded today. So yeah, please bear with me in that one. Yeah, but yeah, honestly, guys, I don't have much else to report for today's episode. It's literally just the start of this new client, building it out, getting things going. So, yeah, strap in, and for the next few days, we're going to be working on this site. But trust me, by the end of it, you're going to enjoy the result. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for episode 115. Cheers, guys. Bye for now.